Hi guys, today I want to share with you my backpack. Hindi pa kami nag-start ng school sa August 12 pa. So I want to share with you my school supplies as grade 11 student. This is my backpack. It's MEH bag. Large siya. You can see this. Ito muna tayo sa labas. Here. You will see here my power bank. Here, it's chrome. Then, my earbuds. Then, meron siyang isang ulit na pocket here sa labas. You will see naman here my calculator. Scientific calculator. Alam ko na magbobo ko sa pero huwag na natin ipagpatuloy. Kami! Tapos here, merong dito sa labas ulit na pocket. Yung magkabilaan. Then you will see in the right side, my umbrella is super light, it's super maliit. Of course, it's color pink. And also here in the left side naman, you will see my coin purse. Then may pocket dito sa likod. Nilalagyan lang siya ng phone and other variables like your wallet or phone. Then dito tayo sa pangmalakasang sa loob. Here. Of course, you will see my pen. It's color pink. And ang OA niya talaga. Then you will see naman my wallet. Of course, di mawawala ang aking baby. Si Suno. Then you will see naman my makeup pouch. It's not pink because wala nang pink available. Pero you will see my makeup pouch. Nandito yung pulbo, clip, Blush On by Caroline. Nandito naman yung pangkilay ko from O2O. And my pressed powder from Says Lady. Then you will see naman here, I bring my laptop. Hindi mawawala ang laptop. And my other phone. And my yellow pad. Ang dami ko palang nabiling ganito. I don't know. My pink pad, of course. Ang OA ko talaga. And of course, my notebook. Sabi kasi ng friend ko, sa Asia Source, pag first day, like, you will bring 4 notebooks lang para may mga teachers daw kasi na hindi nagpapanote. So, yeah. Ito na ang vessel case ko. From Miniso. Color pink, of course. here in my pencil case, also my notepad, Elmer's glue, dalawa washi tape, dalawang stabilo from National Bookstore, of course, pink and purple, my HBW na marker, my black pen from Miniso, stapler, and dalawang, I don't know what you call this, pero sa marami siya. Ganyan. Cute. And of course, di mawawala ang correction tape. Balik na natin kasi baka wala pang mawala na ng tinta. Ay, mali. Then, meron pang pencil case dito eh. Here, may